So here we are going to put some more seeds. I'm gonna try to germinate a few more acacia seeds. So here we have about 220 acacia seeds, and now we're gonna try to activate them by pouring hot water over them. So we put it in a bowl. Here we go. Pour boiling water and we'll leave it overnight, and we'll see how many of these seeds will become bigger, get swollen, and those will then transfer into germination chamber. All right, we'll leave it like that overnight, and tomorrow we'll see if any of those got swollen and can go and germinate. So here, after first day of trying to activate the seeds, I poured boiling water on top of the seeds, and some of them went a bit bigger, so they're swollen, so they're activated. And here you can see that some of them some became about double the size of the original ones, and so this should be activated and transferred into the sprouting chamber, which is in my case is a paper towel folded in half and put in a plastic bag, which I leave kept open for the excess of the air, and this will be wet. The advantage of this system is that you don't have to check if the water evaporated, so they rarely dry out these ones. Sometimes you check, but you don't have to check every day. Okay, so now with those seeds that were not activated, I just put them through another cycle and put hot boiling water over them again, and let them sit in it until tomorrow, and we'll see what is the success rate with activation of these seeds. Cool. So this is update on activating acacia seeds. So there are two methods basically. One method is pouring hot water over the seeds. They are supposed to and leave it overnight, and they're supposed to get swollen over that overnight, and then put in a fruiting in a sprouting chamber. However, when I did that, only a small portion of them got swollen. So I'm going to try the second method now, which is nipping a little end of the seed and putting in a sprouting chamber. So sprouting will be done here on these paper towels. I nip these seeds at the bag. I'll show you how, and then I'll place them here on paper towels, cover them, and put them in a sandwich bags, which will be unsealed to allow some air into it, and then leaving it for a few days in a dark place. And so I'll show you. These are seeds that didn't get swollen. There's a majority of them, maybe less than 10% of the seeds actually got swollen. And now this is the second pour of the hot water over the seeds, but there was not much change. So I hope that these seeds didn't get damaged, and I will still be able to sprout them after clipping the end. Okay, so I clip each individual seed here. So there's little end with the little I don't know, little paper looking thing, and then at the end I'll take a little tiny bit of the seed, making sure I don't clip the white part inside. So I'm not sure, can it go? And is it nice and sharp focused? No. All right, doesn't matter. And I place it here on a paper towel, and then I'll put it in a sandwich bag, which looks like this. So a sandwich bag, tissue inside, the paper towel is wet, and sandwich bag is open, and I put it in a cupboard to sprout. This was done 2 days ago when these seeds got swollen after being exposed to the hot water. But this is only about maybe 25-30 seeds, and the rest didn't work. So now I'm trying to clip them and make several more of these bags, and then I'll put an update on how they went. Cool. Thanks for watching. Right, so I clipped all these seeds to make them sprouts, and to make the experiment a little bit more interesting, 3 of these sprouting areas I will cover with mycorrhizal fungi and see if it will have any effect on growth or sprouting. And then I'll mark them, and in a few days we will examine if mycorrhizal fungi helped with sprouting or not. So here we go. This number 1 will be seeds activated with boiling water. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be seeds activated with clipping of the end, and number 4, 5, and 6 will also be dusted with mycorrhizal fungi. So let's see how it goes.